Welcome to PrimePic's lab. The best bow drill kit is probably one of the most fundamental tools for any survivalist or outdoor enthusiast. Mastering the bow drill is a rite of passage, a tangible connection to the primal art of fire making. In this video, we're diving deep into the components of a bow drill kit, showing you how each part contributes to the magic of creating fire from friction. Number 5. PSKOOK Bow Drill Kit, Primitive Fire Starter. This kit makes starting a fire easy. Just keep drilling until smoke appears, then you can make a fire. It's a great way to experience and master the primitive fire method. The bow and handle are made of smooth bamboo. The fireboard uses paulownia wood and includes multiple holes. The rope is made of high-strength polyester, ensuring durability. This product is pre-assembled and includes jute tinder. It's designed for thousands of rotations. You can use it right away without any assembly required. It's a great tool for scouts and outdoor enthusiasts. It helps develop patience, persistence, and survival skills. This is a good educational tool. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any issues, please contact us through Amazon. We are here to help. What we like. This kit is incredibly easy to use, making it perfect for beginners. It's made from high-quality bamboo and paulownia wood, ensuring durability. If you're a scout or outdoor explorer looking to learn the basics of fire starting, this is the perfect kit for you. It's also great for developing patience and focus. What people say. Perfect, easy to use and learn on. Even comes with a bundle of fire starting fluff. Easy to assemble and easy to use. I wanted my middle school students to get a feel for what it was like to start a fire without modern tools, and this was a great tool for them to use. Immediately upon opening the box, I was instantly impressed with the construction. After further examination of the bow drill, I felt like it would last for a long time. The big selling point was that it was a two-player one that allows your kids to join in on the fun. Okay, so I gave it a spin with my kids and it works as advertised and includes everything needed to produce primitive fire, with little effort. Number 4. SXTL Bow Drill Fire Starter Kit. This bow drill fire starter kit makes starting a fire easy and fun. Beginners may need a few tries, but experts can get a fire going in seconds with this tool. It's a perfect tool for teaching kids and scouts about friction fire. This is a great gift for them to practice their survival skills. The handle and spindle are pre-assembled, and it's ready to use right away. It also comes with an instruction book to help you start your first fire. The spindle can create many fires. The fireboard has pre-made divots, and there's space for more. The ball bearing spins smoothly under pressure. Making fire takes skill and practice. Keep trying until you understand how it works. Then, you'll master the art of friction fire. What we like. This kit makes fire starting easy and fun, even for beginners. It's also a perfect educational tool for teaching kids and scouts. If you're looking for a kit that's ready to go right out of the box and includes an instruction book, this is the one for you. What people say. It works. Smart design, easy to use, very effective. This puppy worked in less than 20 seconds. Number 3. Channel Craft Campfire Bow Drill Kit. This is the authentic friction to flame tool set. It's a great way to learn how to start a fire the traditional way. The kit provides everything you need to experience the ancient art of fire starting. With this, you can create fire without matches or lighters. This kit is perfect for anyone interested in bushcraft or survival skills. It's a hands-on way to connect with the past and learn a valuable skill. Like other Channel Craft products, this kit is proudly crafted in the USA. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. Get ready to experience the satisfaction of creating fire from scratch. It's a rewarding experience that connects you with nature. What we like. This kit offers an authentic friction to flame experience. It's proudly made in the USA. If you like to learn how to start a fire the traditional way, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I would suggest adjusting the wood with this product. There is better wood for a quicker fire out there. Number 2. Bow Drill Fire Starter Kit for Outdoor Camping. This Bow Drill Fire Starter Kit is perfect for outdoor survival. It's a great tool for camping, hiking, and exploring. It is a nice choice for parent-child interaction. The fireboard is designed for multiple uses, ensuring a long service life. The tinder is highly flammable and easy to use. It's also lightweight and easy to carry. The ergonomic handle is finely ground for a comfortable grip. This tool is designed to be easy to operate and provides excellent performance in the field. This tool cultivates patience and hands-on ability. It develops curiosity about nature. It is practical and convenient to use. Made of wood, this survival tool offers a safer guarantee. The good quality materials increase the product's lifespan. You will find it is a very useful tool. What we like. This kit is designed for a long service life, ensuring you can practice your fire starting skills for a long time. The ergonomic handle is comfortable and easy to grip. If you're looking for a tool that can cultivate patience and hands-on ability, you should consider this. What people say. Good quality product. Perfect for beginners. New in box. Number 1. SXTL Bow Drill Fire Starter Kit. This kit makes starting a fire easy and fun. Beginners may need a few attempts to produce an ember, while experts can start a fire in less than 30 seconds with this tool. It's a perfect tool for teaching kids or training scouts the principles of friction fire. Building a fire easily can open up the whole world of friction fire starting for the child. The handle and spindle are pre-assembled, and the product is ready to use the moment you open the box. It also comes with an instruction book with pictures and details that will help you start your first friction fire. The spindle is capable of dozens of fires. The fireboard has 10 pre-made divots and notches, and it has an additional area for you to cut more divot and notches to your style. Creating fire through friction requires skill and physical ability. So keep trying until you understand how much pressure you should apply. Then you will have mastered the art of making fire by friction. What we like. This kit makes fire starting easy and fun, even for beginners. It's also a perfect educational tool for teaching kids and scouts. If you're looking for a kit that's ready to go right out of the box and includes an instruction book, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to assemble. Easy to use. Easy to store away. Quick results. Perfect for hunting and camping trips. Nice project for history and outdoor skills. It works so well. I tested it in the house to see if it was any good and filled the room with smoke without much effort. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.